everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm back with another Steam tutorial and we are learning how you can change the default home screen or the startup page on Steam. By default, the Steam app opens to the store or the library section. So if you ever want to change that, then you can do it easily. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the Steam application on your device and log into your account. From the home page of Steam, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner and then click on the settings button on the next page. Under settings, tap on the drop down right next to home screen and select the home screen you'd like to use as your startup page. You can select the page you want from the menu that appears on the screen. For example, if I want the inventory tab as the startup page, I'm going to tap on inventory and now force close the Steam application and open it again, and you'll be able to see that you have changed your default home screen. If you mostly launch games right away, then you can go back to the settings, tap on the drop down right next to home screen and select library, and don't forget to restart the game. And once you do, you'll be able to change your home screen immediately. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.